Alright guys, as you may have seen in the thumb title, we got a new multi-purpose truck, farm truck. I'll probably use it for work, we'll use it for the farm. Nolan will be driving in about a year, so he'll probably be using this truck as long as I don't have to sell it for some reason, which I'm notorious for that. Ask my wife. But there she is. It's a Ford F-150 XLT. It's got 150,000 miles on it.
I didn't know it was on.
You would. And yeah, it's not bad. I'm not a Ford guy, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity. So it needs a lot of cleaning. Yeah. And then interior needs a lot of help. Scrubbing, cleaning. I guess they're notorious for leaking in the back corner, so we got some mold up there. We'll try and scrub it out. Maybe get a new headliner eventually. Some seat covers. I plan on getting hopefully new headlights, new grille. Got a custom grille that I want to get for it, and some custom headlights. Thinking about doing, I'm going to tint these side windows darker, do an American flag, black silhouette kind of thing on the whole back window. But yeah, I think it'll be a fun truck to clean up. Me and the boys are going to start cleaning the inside of it right now, and then we'll eventually start cleaning the outside.
Spring.
This truck was completely a God thing. We were not currently looking for a vehicle, but it's always been in the back of our mind wondering, would we be able to provide our children with their first car? And it's a little bit of a worry and something that we've been praying about. And God just stepped in and basically put this opportunity right in front of us when we weren't expecting it. And we weren't going to miss it. So we jumped on this opportunity to get the truck. And now we are putting in the effort to fix it up and make it look nice. On a little bit of a side note here, I also wanted to mention that we had some issues happen with some of our videos. I'm sorry if the quality is a little bit low. It will be on the next few weeks. Unfortunately, with everyone else using my camera, someone happened to set my camera to a different setting, and I did not realize it for weeks. So all my videos were taken in the wrong format. So it has been a little bit interesting to fix, but it is fixed, but the quality will be a little bit lower most likely for the next few weeks. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Other than the truck, life on the farm has been pretty basic, except for one major thing. We like to call it cicada getting. It is upon us. Every time we walk outside, you are attacked and swarmed by cicadas. And heaven forbid you're using some sort of thing with a motor, such as a lawnmower or a weed eater. They straight up swarm you and attack you. Thank goodness the swarm is only supposed to last for a few weeks and then be over. My goodness, this is miserable.
Alright, let's see if this thing starts up. Sounds good still. Gonna pull it out of the barn. We're gonna take this over to the driveway so we can pressure wash it on the concrete. Well, we're gonna pressure wash the bed of the truck because it's disgusting. I also have a soap thing that we can put on the pressure washer to just soap this down real good, soak it good. So that'll be something we are going to be hooking up and doing. I really don't want to put a pressure washer to the paint, not at full speed at least. I could do a light wash with it, but we'll definitely need it for the bed of the truck because the bed is really dirty. So, yeah, we just happened to see the Goodyear blimp fly over too, because they're having I think it's the PGA tour down in Charlotte, and we live in upstate South Carolina, so we got to, for some reason they decided to fly over us but that was pretty cool to see. I haven't seen that blimp since I lived in Florida, good 20 something years ago. So all right, we're gonna get to washing the truck.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down.
We have a problem. I think we're gonna have to move where we're doing this at because our nozzle just broke.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
You need a switch.
This one's better.
No, you're gonna get burnt.
With a straw hat cowboy now.
Yep.
I'm gonna say cowboy.
Did you just get attacked too? Did you just get attacked too?
Who?
Yeah.
Again?
Well, I did too. Never mind. Thought I had one on my arm. He's stuck in the water. Flip it. Oh, got him. It's still on your hat, too.
Get him! Dude, these things are terrible.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Yeah, Ain't got no
You got 2 of them on it. There's another one.
don't pay. Trailer or sailoring. Through the left. Trailer or sailoring. Ain't got no
Just water gap. Water never hurt anybody except for you and your uncle.
Uncle Aaron hates to get wet, and so does Gavin.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
He apparently doesn't mind mist.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
Mist isn't bad?
No.
Okay. Hey, Nolan.
Yeah.
How do you always get so dirty?
Because I don't try not to get dirty.
Your legs are black. Jesse.
It took us for a ride.
It's probably like as long as our whole property.
I think it's so cool.
That is cool.
I can't
It's, I know you can't even see it because of the sun.
How's the front looking?
To watch that food. Get all that mud from all the season off. What we got here is a typical Ford. The back window is leaking. Like, I got my Chevy I had for 20 years, bought it brand new. It ain't got a single leak in it, but this is 2010, it's got a leak in it. What's up with that? Sorry, you Ford guys out there. Yes, I know I have one. I committed the cardinal sin and bought me a Ford. But that's why I bought it, so I could beat it up. It's amazing how soaked he gets.
I can't breathe.
He's soaked and it seems like I barely got him.
Dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond.
Gonna back this thing out. Let Nolan take it for a drive.
Yay.
Beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer.
Hey, slow down! Whoa!
Stop. I'm literally going a mile an hour.
Watch out for that blade of grass!
We're running over on purpose.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Think it fits you well?
Yeah. I mean, it's a little low, I mean. But by the time I'm able to actually drive, I should be taller. Hopefully.
So, fail number one. Also, fail number one on dad part. You don't have your seatbelt on. Oh, goodness, bro. Son. Some touchy brakes.
Yeah.
I know we're in a field. Whoa. Peel it out, man. You haven't even driven this yet.
No,
The son drove it before you.
I did.
Do you want to drive it?
I guess.
Can I get in the back? Pick up the back.
This is Melanie's first time driving the truck.
That's nice.
We've got some stragglers, some little hitchhikers in the back. Great big skies.
Yep, it's a truck. Jesse's been getting on me about not driving it, but I told him I'm not a car person. It's not a big deal to me. But it is fun to drive in the field.
Yeah.
Just for fun.
You gotta drive the new cars always.
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard for me to do every time I start a Ford. Oh my God. Wow. Feel bad for my son.
Photo.
I'll never understand this thing. Wait, now is it filming? What the heck is going on? That's filming, right?
Yeah.
Oh, how did it film? But it took a picture.